get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Oh no, the fight's out. I'm about to punch your lights out. Get the fuck back on your grill. There's something wrong, we can't stay still. I've been drinking and busting too, and I've been thinking of busting you upside your motherfucking forehead. And if your friend jump in, oh girl, there'll be more dead, causing confusion, disturbing the peace. It's not an illusion. We run in the streets. So bye-bye to all you groupies and gold diggers. Is there a bumper on your ass? No, nigga. I'm doing 100 on the highway. So if you do the speed limit, get the fuck out of my way. I'm DUI, hardly ever caught sober. And you about to get ran the fuck over. Move it, get out of the way, get out of the way, bitch, get out of the way. Move it, get out of the way, get out of the way, bitch, get out of the way. Here I come, here I go. Uh-oh, don't jump, bitch, move. You see them headlights, you hear that fucking crowd? Start that goddamn show, I'm coming through. I hit the stage and knock the curtains down. I fuck the crowd up, that's what I do. Young and successful, sex symbol. Now bitches want me to fuck them true, true. Hold up, wait up, shorty, oh, what's up? Get my dick sucked, what are you doing? Besides minding my fucking business, trying to get my paper, child support suing. Give me that truck and take that rental back. Who bought these fucking TVs and the jewelry, bitch? Tell me that. No, I ain't bitter, I don't give a fuck. But I'ma tell you like this, bitch, you better walk in front of my tour bus. Move it, get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out. Move it, get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Yeah, Tudo, I'm on the right track. Beef got the right Mac. Hit the trunk, grab the pump, I'll be right back. We buying bars out, showing stars out. We heard his hoes out, so we brought the cars out. Call up Tig, grab the pills, cause we poppin' tonight. Beat the shit out of security for stopping the fight. I got a filler that Remy, fuck the Belvy and Chris. I'm selling shit up in the club like I work in that bitch. Fuck the dress codes, the street clothes. We all street niggas. We on the dance floor, throwing bows, beating up niggas. I'm from the deck, try to